Hello everyone, this is Homero. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to introduce you to this new project that I've been working on. And actually, there's a program, a software that is free to download. Actually, not download, but use in the cloud internet. And there's going to be a lot of little details that you got to do before you actually can start using this software. This idea came up just because of all this virus and quarantine. That there's a lot of teenagers and younger, you know, just childrens out there that have nothing to do, or they don't know what else to do besides just playing games or doing nothing in their houses. Well, there is this tool that they can use and learn new things. This program is basically based on the STEM activities. What I mean by STEM is there's this club out there in, especially in the United States, where kids are and teenagers are able to explore more of the engineering, mathematics, technology, and more. On this one, it is designed to use to do 3D designs, which is a very basic tool. So if you're already advanced in this type of things, you may find it a little too slow or a little boring, because this one is mostly made for beginners. Another thing that they have is circuits. There's a lot of information there that you can play around with, which is very fun, and a lot of things you can learn. There's another thing called code blocks. What they mean by this one is basically they're gonna teach you how to use the computer language in a very fun and basic way of doing it. When I was back in college, it was pretty tough programming for me, at least. But 3D design, I got that one pretty well. So as of right now, I'm just gonna show you how to make your own account. And from there, we're gonna start doing 3D designs, and maybe in the future, you guys can start doing also your own, and maybe using 3D printers, which in a different video, I'm gonna start showing you how to use those machines. So for now, let's start from scratch. So let's just go. I'm gonna close the window. Just type in tinkercad. It's www.tinkercad.com. Basically, this is their main page. It's gonna take me to my own, which right now I'm just gonna log out, and basically this is their main page. As you can see, there's a lot of information for professors that are trying to introduce new maybe tools for their kids to just learn of technology and engineering and all those cool stuffs out there. And they also have more little ideas, so that the children's and the teenagers can start exploring out there. There's more things than just playing the games. You can actually learn how to make the games, which is a different thing. So when you get a chance, just explore the details here. What we're gonna do in this video is basically just get you started with an account. That's all you need. You need an email, internet access, and just that's basically it, and a computer, actually. I haven't used this in a tablet. I have a touchscreen computer, which it works pretty well, but I have experience doing designing. That's basically what I do for a living. I 3D design mechanical components. And this one is going to be a very good tool for you to start. So basically it's very basic. You're going to start with just by clicking join. There are these options if you're a professor or a student. If you're a professor, you can start here, which they give you more tools to start working with, like a classroom type of scenario. And if you're a student, when the professor starts making the projects or the classes, they can give you, I think it's a code that you can just log in and use that code, and then you can start doing their lectures there, which these ones are going to be very fun, because it is a interactive type of lectures. You get to play, you get to design, you get to learn new things by the use of a computer. Right now, the one we're going to create is create a personal account. So just click use your left mouse button and then create a personal account. For now, I'm just gonna use my Google account. If you have a Google account, just use that one for now. If not, just sign up with a new email for like a Yahoo or Hotmail or something like that. For now, we're just gonna use a Google account that I already have. So it just takes you to the basic steps of creating an account anywhere else, Facebook, Instagram, anything like that. It'll just be the same, very basic, straightforward procedure to sign up for a new account. So I'm gonna choose this one because this is the one I want to use. For the first time, he's gonna ask you a little bit more questions as far as what's your name, a little bit more of personal details, and then just put them in there. They're not gonna sell your info or anything. It's just for their own records. But this is what it is. This is how it looks. So basically, if you want, you can start by going into the settings, by clicking over here in the top right. There are all these settings that you can choose from. The ones that I just actually use sometimes is my profile. I can go into my profile. I can pick either picture or logo. I just use this one for now, and this is my email. You can start doing a little bit of view here just so that people know what you do. And then how would you use the tinkercad? For now, I guess I didn't put anything. I'll just put on my own, and I'll save it. Once you fill out this information, you're gonna be able to see your picture. Very basic procedures, basically as doing an Instagram or Facebook or a WhatsApp or TikTok account. Very, very similar. Once this is done, and also of course there's more stuff here, but I'll leave this blank because I'm not into this settings yet. But in a different video, if someone wants to know how this things works, I'll explain to you how they work. So for now, we're just gonna go back. You can click here to their main logo. Click once, and it's gonna take you back to the main page. There are 3 different things that they're gonna let us use so that we can show people how to use it. Students or just children in general, or anyone that just wants to learn how to do 3D design, which is everyone is welcome to just learn. Circuits. Here's another thing that they have. You can create your circuit. Basically, a circuit is a piece of or hardware that you can make your own, and that's how things are connected as far as electrical components. Another thing is code blocks. Code blocks are pretty cool. It's basically a computer language that is gonna show you in a very interactive way how to use a computer language and see how it is actually basically everything that you have in your computer, in your cell phone. It's a computer language. It's a line of codes. It's very cool how it works. It's a little tough. Well, at least that was for me back in college. One thing that I got pretty well is circuits and 3D design. Codes, it was a little tough. I want to confess that. So for now, we're just going to show you. I'm going to focus more on the 3D design aspect. For now, this is going to be the end of the video. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually create your new part or new design, and then from there we're going to start digging into more advanced settings in the next videos. I'm doing this just I just thought that with all this COVID-19 virus, people are gonna want to just learn and explore more things, and I just thought this one is a good tool for people and students or anyone just that wants to learn a new skill. This is a very, very easy and interactive way of learning. So I'm gonna be here just to show you how to use it, and in future videos hopefully I can teach you more of what I know how to use, and then from there you can start using it. Maybe if you want to get into 3D printing or maybe even circuits, I will show you how to get started with that stuff as well. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you can watch the next one, so that way you can start and create your new design. All right, thank you. Bye.